Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Monster Hunter Now. This exciting mobile game brings the thrill of the hunt to your real-world environment. You'll explore your surroundings to discover formidable monsters and valuable gathering spots. The core gameplay loop involves engaging in intense, timed battles, usually lasting about 75 seconds. After successfully defeating a monster, you'll gather its parts to craft and enhance your weapons and armor, preparing you for even tougher challenges ahead. Combat in Monster Hunter Now is intuitive yet deep. You'll tap to attack and swipe to dodge incoming monster assaults. Mastering the perfect dodge is key, as it grants a temporary damage bonus, allowing you to deal more harm. As you land hits, a special gauge fills, enabling you to unleash a devastating unique weapon skill. Remember to target specific monster body parts. Breaking them yields extra materials and can weaken the creature. Progression in Monster Hunter Now revolves around crafting and upgrading your gear. You'll use materials from defeated monsters and Zenny to forge powerful new weapons and armor. Continuously upgrading your equipment is crucial for tackling stronger foes. As you advance through the story, you'll unlock 6 diverse weapon types, including the sword and shield, great sword, and bow. Each armor piece also offers unique skills, allowing you to tailor your hunter's build to your preferred playstyle. Monster Hunter Now truly shines when playing with others. You can team up with up to 3 nearby hunters within 200 meters for cooperative group hunts. Utilize paintballs to mark monsters you encounter, allowing you and your friends to hunt them together later. Don't forget to complete your daily quests. They offer significant Zenny and other valuable rewards. Also, keep an eye out for limited-time events, which provide exclusive materials and exciting new challenges.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.